hang around town pretty late. I spent the week thinking about our next day. It was easier then, so much easier then. Or like that time I picked you up outside of school. You said, screw my dad, I make my own rules. It was easier then, so much easier then. Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving on kisses and sunshine and mischief. Yeah, we had one of those things. We just had one of those things. I guess I've had some things to figure out, but now that I'm done, I'm full of doubt. Was it easy for you? Yeah, was it too easy for you? You used to say that you would always be mine, but you seem to be doing just fine. Now I think about you, I just can't seem to stop thinking about you. Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving on kisses and sunshine and mischief. Yeah, we had one of those things.
Long Quiet Highway, Waking Up in America by Natalie Goldberg. Mother Teresa, who works with India's poorest of the poor, has said that America has a worse poverty than India's, and it's called loneliness. Having lived here for over 2 decades in America, I certainly would agree with that statement. Mr. Cates once asked us in class after we read King Lear, after Gloucester plucked out his eyes and Lear anguished over the betrayal by his daughters, which would you prefer, physical torment or mental and emotional suffering? When we thought about it enough, no one in class could honestly choose. Tibetan Buddhists say that a person should never get rid of their negative energy. That negative energy transformed is the energy of enlightenment, and that the only difference between neurosis and wisdom is struggle. If we stop struggling and open up and accept what is, that neurotic energy naturally arises as wisdom, naturally informs us, and becomes our teacher. If this is true, why do we struggle so much? We struggle because we're afraid to die. We're afraid to see that we are impermanent, that nothing exists forever. My childhood suburbs gave the impression that they would exist forever. Placid plastic, timeless and monotonous, but natural wisdom, the other side of neurosis, embodies the truth of transiency. Hi, thanks for hanging out with me at Simple Daily Joy, my YouTube channel. I have an online gift store that was born out of this channel, and I'm glad that you are here. Many of the products at my gift store are print on demand, which means it's only created when an order is placed. It's my way of making sure that there's less waste. In this channel, I share other things that other platforms do not allow me to, and many times it's the behind the scenes of what a creative journey looks like and I hope that by subscribing and watching this channel, you find new inspiration on how to create yours as well, and share that message or products or services with the world. I look forward to connecting with you through any of my social handles. So please do that.